Look at the size of that motherfucker behind him, man. And look, we're up. We're gonna go down now. And we're down. Look at, see, look. See?
Oh my god. Is this it here now?
No, it's getting closer.
Oh wow, that's huge.
It's getting closer. You see behind it? Those are what they talk about, like 3-4 second intervals.
Mm-hmm.
See, here he is.
Oh my god, look at this thing.
That's a 15-footer. You feel the boat?
Yeah.
Because right now it got sucked back by the wave.
Oh yeah,
And it's being pushed, and we're pushing forward. That's the motors pushing.
Mm-hmm.